Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what is Virtualbox, why Virtualbox, where it is used and how we can install Virtualbox on Linux machine. Without wasting time, let's get started into the theory and step-by-step installation procedure. Virtualbox is a free and open source software that can be installed directly on the physical devices like server, or it can be installed on the host machines like Windows or the Mac OSs. Why Virtualbox? Virtualbox is used to run multiple operating systems on a single machine at the same time. These multiple operating systems are isolated from the host machine. We can take snapshot of these virtual machines when everything is going right, and we can revert back when something goes wrong. Here is the hardware of our host machine. On the hardware we have installed a Linux machine or Windows machine. So on that Windows machine we have installed this hypervisor is nothing but the Virtualbox. On that Virtualbox we have created that virtual machines like this virtual machine is a Linux machine, this is a Windows machine, or this is a Mac OS. So we can install different types of operating systems on the Virtualbox. Where it is used, it is majorly used in the cloud environment, and we can use this for personal use also. For example, suppose you have developed an application. Now you have to test that application on different operating system, but you have only the one machine. At the time, the Virtualbox will come into the picture. And another example is that you have learned hacking. Now to practice the hacking, we need different types of operating systems. So at the time you have only one single machine. At that time the Virtualbox will be used. Now it's time to install the Virtualbox on Linux machine. It requires just 3 steps to install. Before installing the Virtualbox, please make sure that your Linux machine is up to date. To update the Linux machine, open the terminal. Search terminal, terminal, click enter. So the terminal has been opened. Now first we have to update the repositories. To update the repositories, type the following command: sudo apt update. Click enter. Enter the password. Next, upgrade the packages. To do that, type the following command: sudo apt upgrade upgrade. Enter. Now your Linux machine is up to date. Now we have to install some dependencies. So as Virtualbox has the various kernel modules like virtual drive, virtual net filter, virtual net adapter, we need to keep these drivers up to date when the Linux kernel gets updated. So this can be done with the help of dkms packages, that is dynamic kernel module support. To install this dkms packages, type the following command: sudo apt install dkms. So enter Y and hit enter. dkms package has been successfully installed. Now it's time to install the Virtualbox. To install it, type the following command: sudo apt install Virtualbox, virtual box. Hit Y and hit enter. Here the Virtualbox is successfully installed. Now we have to install that Virtualbox extension pack. This extension pack provides advanced functionality to the Virtualbox. To update that, type the following command, that is sudo apt install Virtualbox -ext -psek pack. Hit enter. So it's prompted here a license page. Hit the tab button and hit enter to accept the terms and conditions. Here we can see that successfully installed Oracle VM Virtualbox extension packs. Now we can find the VirtualBox in the menu, or we can directly run from the terminal. First we will see the VirtualBox in the menu. So search virtual VirtualBox. See here the VirtualBox is installed. Now you can double click here to run, or otherwise you can run from the command prompt also. Just type VirtualBox. Here you can see that the VirtualBox is successfully installed. Thank you.